Hey guys, Ed with Solomon's Landscape again, and here's a quick design that we did. You can see it's hard to tell in the picture, but there's some pinkish looking things in the front, pink, purple, with some green. That was kind of the design. I know it's kind of hard to see. There's emerald green by my house, and reality. Whoop! I guess I should have zoomed out. Sorry, but there's reality. So you can see we're missing some stuff. The purple, what they call coral bells, on the ends between the hellebores, the green little ones in the middle. So I just wanted to say that just because you have a plan doesn't mean it turns out like this. Now, we will be coming back. I'm sorry. The supplier will be getting some more of the purple coral bells. Right now it is mid-March, and so unfortunately they don't have them in stock or willing to release them because of the weather. They're worried about the frost getting to them. I know the client wanted to get this job done relatively quickly, so we're able to turn it around for them. But what's happened is, and here's another spot, I don't have the design for it, but you can see it's still kind of bare. And so all I'm just saying is, when you get into a project of any sorts, and we do it every day, things happen. And so, I mean, we'll come back and fill these in, but sometimes what happens is it doesn't go according to design or plan all the time. And we, like I said, we run into this on a regular basis. I mean, I've been doing design for about 10 years, landscape design for about 10 years. And yeah, I mean, some things happen. You get on site, sometimes things don't fit quite right. You accidentally miscalculated the order. Not everything came in, because they couldn't find the source. So, but just want to let you know that it's okay. Things happen. So just be open and aware that things do happen. It's not always going to go according to plan, or sometimes according to design, because you may have, something may have been forgotten on site conditions. But overall, like I say, just as long as you realize that not all plant installs are going to go so smooth, even if you do it yourselves. So when you do it yourselves, y'all, obviously you want to realize that it's not going to go according to plan. It usually doesn't. Even for us, it doesn't go according to plan. We're not too far off. But again, it's not that bad. Mainly what we're hurting is just the fact that our supplier is not able to get the plants in right away. So we will come back and finish that off. But just wanted to give you guys a word of warning that sometimes things happen. Plans do change, so they're not always set in stone. And so I know a lot of people kind of get fret and worry that it's not exactly what's on paper, and sometimes what's on paper doesn't always work. I mean, a lot of times you run into underground utilities, not enough plants because they're not ready to ship. Any kind of things. I mean, we've actually had to, go around sprinkler systems, power lines, and just work around those things. So I know some people are like, oh, that's got to be that 3 inches on, right there. I want it moved over 2 inches. Well, sometimes those things happen. You get roots, you get a large tree that was once there. All kinds of stuff. So I just want to let you know that it's okay if it doesn't go exactly to plan. We run into those things. We try to go according to plan all the time, all the time too. But we know that things happen, things change, and we're prepared for it. And so we try to explain that to our clients when we do installs, that sometimes things do happen, things change. So just be aware that as we're on site, maybe something changes slightly. Obviously we want to make sure that we're counting all the encountering and planning for all the variables, but sometimes you just can't, especially when you start putting a shovel in the ground. Things do happen. So, but that's that's okay. Things happen. Like I said, we're planning next month to come back and fill this back in, but it's okay if things don't go quite according to plan. And just like I said, any type of project, you just gotta be prepared for the unexpected, because it has, as I like to prepare for, as I like to say, is I'm usually always expecting something to come up. So just want to let you guys know it's okay. The unexpected always tends to pop up, especially the larger the job, the more things do tend to pop up. So just want to let you guys know. Thank you very much. Have a great day.